Hi, I'm T, one half of The Weekender, and I'd like to welcome you to Raincouver. No, I'm kidding, but we do live in a place that rains a lot, so that is the unofficial nickname of the city. Clever, cute, I did not come up with that. This is us outside trying to make the best of this cold, crappy weather, and we're trying to set a tarp up and enjoy hot chocolate by the ocean. But it's just not working. To be honest, we've gone out so many times and it just is always a fail because we don't have the proper equipment. And again, it's our first year owning this camper van. So this is what we have to experience. This is what we have to go through to realize and understand, okay, what is it that we need to make this situation better? And we found solutions. We found some really cute gear that is almost perfect and I think would make a situation like this even better. But sadly, it's only overseas and those shops are all sold out. So back to the drawing board, pivoting. As much as we want that stuff, we have to wait it out and think about what we can do in the meantime. And unfortunately, that's not going out in this weather because it's just too cold and icy and uncomfortable. And our van is too tiny, so we don't have the option to hang out in it. I mean, we can watch movies, but it kind of just takes away from the whole experience of going and being outside with the fresh air and the beautiful views. So pivoting, going back to what can we do? And that looks like tackling the little things in our van, getting rid of things that we don't like, that aren't working. And through doing that, we realized we have a couple of ideas of a new layout that could possibly work for the kitchen. But that too is going to take time, getting wood cut and organizing and a few other things. So if that does work out, fingers crossed, I'll definitely be filming that and sharing that whole process. So again, fingers crossed it works out. In my mind, I have an idea and it looks really good on paper, so hopefully we can execute that. But anyways, today was just a short little vlog sharing that we have so much rain here and it's just not working. So instead of being discouraged and upset, we're like, okay, what are the things that we can do instead? And that's what we've been up to. But I am happy to report as I'm finishing this video, it is super sunny outside and it looks like that terrible rain has finally been pushed to the side and we're gonna get some good weather, which means more adventures. Anyway, if you've made it this far into the vlog, thank you so much. And if you like this video, do think about subscribing because it really does help the growth of our channel. And we wish you all a great day. Thanks, bye.